So we have been finding the area, but what about when they give us the area? What do we do? So if the area is of a right triangle is 9/16 square feet and the height is 3/4 feet, so here's the height and here is the area. Write an equation that relates the area to the base and the height, which would just be a formula. Solve the equation to determine the base. So what are you looking for? You're looking for that base. Well, you are going to set it up exactly the same way you have solved everything else. But now you're going to substitute a number in for your A, and then you're going to solve for your missing variable. Or the missing value of your variable, which you have been doing when you have been solving your one-step equations and inequalities. So this will be a breeze for you. All you do is substitute your numbers in. Area, well, for A, the area is 9/16. What's next in my formula? 1/2. I just write my 1/2. What is the height? Well, what's the base? We don't know the base. What's the height? Well, we know the height is 3/4. And then what am I doing to all three of these? I'm multiplying them together. Well, I can't multiply my B because I don't know what B is, but I can multiply my 1 times 3, 3. My 2 times 4 is 8. B. And then I need to solve for B. I need to isolate that variable. You have been doing that. Remember, when you have a fraction, you want to multiply it by its reciprocal, because 3 times 8 is 24 and 8 times 3 is 24. That is going to give you 1, and 1 times B is just going to be B. Now, as soon as you multiply this side by 8/3, you made this equation unbalanced. So to keep it balanced, you need to make sure you multiply this side also by 8/3. And that would give you whatever that equals. But once you simplify it, it is going to be 1/2. So your base is 1/2. So over here, you should write base equals 1/2 what? 1/2 feet. Remember, it's not squared because it's not the area, it's just the line. So you had the height is 3/4, and you needed to know the base. So you were just looking for the line. So it is not going to be squared. All right, number 7, if the area of the right triangle is 160 inches, again, it tells me the area, which means I will be trying to solve for either the base or height. Let's see which one. And the base, I can draw any kind of triangle I want. The base is 8 inches, so I know my base is 8 inches. My height, I don't know. And my area is 160. Put that where you can see it. Right? Base, height, don't know. In my area, I need to find my height. Well, if I substitute my numbers in, area is 160. Then I bring down my 1/2, right? My 1/2, my base is 8. And my height, I'm just going to keep the variable h for height. And then I just multiply. 1/2 times 8. Well, what's half of 8? Excuse me, it's 4. It leaves me a 4h and then 160. And then isolate my variable. Take the inverse operation. Well, I'm multiplying 4, so I'm going to divide by 4. I want to keep it balanced. Divide the other side by 4. Leaves me just with h on one side and then 40. So my height is 40 what? What did it say it was? Inches. 40 inches. And there is my answer.